We'll guide you through how to reset Netflix on a smart TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're running into some problems with it, so we've got some different ways you can try doing this. To get started, go and choose a profile like so. Then you want to tap up to the top and you want to go and come over to the left, select your profile and press get help. Tap down and we can go and reload Netflix. So what you want to do is go and click there, go and see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, what you want to do is come to your apps. So you can press the app button on your remote or press home and tap across and open up apps. Go and find Netflix, and what we can then do is go and tap and hold on it, or you may need to go and press an options button. So what you can then do is go and delete it and install it again from the store or from the search. On this TV, which is a Samsung, we can just directly reinstall it. So we can go and press that there. When it's finished, you try opening up again and see if it's now going to work. What you can do is go and turn the TV off, come to the wall outlet, turn it off, and you can go and unplug it. Come onto your TV and go and find the power button on it physically. In this case, it's under it. For you, maybe to the left or to the right and on the back. Hold it down for a minute. When it's past release, plug it back in and turn it back on. Open up Netflix.